Today in this video, I will show you how to fix the uploaded file exceed the upload max file size directive in php.ini error. Let's start the video. At first, we need to go to the cPLN account of the website. Then after going to cPLN, scroll down and go to the software section. Then click on the multi-php.ini editor option. Now click on select a location. There can be more than one site in cPLN. If there is more than one site, then select the site that showing the error. After selecting the site, scroll down a bit and find the maximum size of an uploaded file option. Now you can see on the right side that 2 MB is given. There is a limit of 2 MB. Now we will increase as per our need. Once the increase is complete, click the apply button to save it. Then the successful message tab will open for the top. Let's check the error again. I am now uploading the same plugin file which was showing an error. Once uploaded, click the install button. The plugin file has been successfully uploaded. That means the error has been fixed. So this way we can easily fix the error. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Take care and stay safe.